Hi guys, give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how to convert this used up diffuser reach sticks into this beautiful artwork. For this project I used cardboard, ruler, super glue, a pair of scissors, pencil, a pen, and these used up reach sticks in different lengths. I sketched out my artwork and I laid my long and short reeds parallel to each other to form a rectangle. And then I secured the corners with super glue. Afterwards, I used ruler and pencil to mark where I would like for the nose, mouth, and all the parts of my artwork to be. Then I started to cut my sticks and glue them in place. This is me forming the first part of the eyes and nose. I'm cutting the second part of the eyes, making sure the length of the eye and nose that have been cut are equal. I am placing according to the markings that I already made earlier. And this is me forming the first eye, gluing in place as I cut. I did not lay anything on top of each other. I laid right to the cardboard, making sure it is flat onto the cardboard, nothing on top of the stick, just so that we have a flat, professional looking artwork at the end. So this is it, forming the part of the face. And now we're on the lip. Forming the lip. Beautiful lip. I can't even tell if this is a guy or girl artwork because he, so pretty. And that's it. We're done. This is me flipping. To secure the back, using tissue and super glue, I cut the tissue into smaller pieces and started to glue them in place. Tissue and super glue give you a firmer bond than just super glue onto what you're gluing. And these are reed sticks, so you know they're kind of absorbent. They would absorb the super glue, but you just want to be very sure. And that is why I decided to put the tissue and super glue onto all the corners at the back. With the pencil and my fingers as the tool, I removed all of the excess super glue. Then I started to put teeny weeny cut double-sided tape at the back of the artwork to help me secure it to the wall. And here's how it turned out. Beautiful, right? Tell me what you think in the comments. If you liked what you just saw, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. Adios!